Friend, how are you? I'm Advocate Gaurav Kumar Gupta. I'm Chartered Accountant and MBA Finance and PhD holder. My project, Derivative Market Future Trend Analysis, Applicability and Commencement of Bharatiya Saksh Adhiniyam 2023, Section 1, Clause 2 of BSA, apply to all judicial proceeding in or before any court, including court martial, but not to affidavits presented to any court officer not to be proceeding before an arbitrator. Bharatiya Saksh Adhiniyam does not apply to Bharatiya Saksh Adhiniyam 2023 received the presidential assent 25 to 2023 and will come into force changed introduced section 1 of Indian Bharatiya Saksh Adhiniyam provides that said act did not appellate court martial convenient under Army Act and the Air Force Act Section 1 Class 2 of BSA omitted the words Indian Navy Act and the Air Force Act judicial inquiry. An inquiry is judicial or if the object is to determine jural means कानूनी relation between the parties. जुडिशियल प्रोसीडिंग मीन्स होता है ए जुडिशियल प्रोसीडिंग इज वन इन रिकॉर्ड कोर्ट ऑफ रिकॉर्ड एविडेंस इज और मे बी लीगली टेकन और ओथ सेक्शन 2(1) का एम सेक्शन 2(1) क्लॉज 1 का एम ऑफ BNSS भारतीय नागरिक सुरक्षा संहिता द एक्ट डज नॉट अप्लाई द एफिडेविट बिकॉज डिपोनेंट्स मीन्स सभी या गवाह साक्षी या गवाह assertions of fact on basis of his personal knowledge does not constitute evidence and arbitrators have to follow the principle of natural justice that time not bound the laws of evidence. ऑब्जेक्ट भारतीय साक्ष्य अधिनियम के ऑब्जेक्ट क्या प्रीमेबल प्रस्तावना ऑफ द अधिनियम स्टेट दैट मीन्स कहता है इट इज टू बी consolidated to be provide the general rules and principle of evidence for fair trial. Laws of evidence the Laxophory which governs the court Ben versus White, Ravin and Furniss Johnson, the laws of evidence does not affect substantive right of the substantial right of the party, but only lays down the law for facilitating the courts of justice. Definition of Section 2. The term court is defined in Section 2(1) Clause A. Court includes all judges magistrate and all persons except means छोड़कर या सिवाय arbitrator legally authorized to take evidence. The term fact is defined in section 2(1) clause F. It means and includes anything, state of things, lesson of things capable of being prescribed by prescribed means माना जाता है या perceived means माना जाता है by sense any mental condition of which any person of conscious. For example, there are certain objects arranged in certain order in certain place is a fact. The man here on something is a fact. That a man said certain words is a fact. That a man holds certain opinions, has certain intention, act in a good faith, fraudulently, use a particular words in a particular sense, was at a specified time conscious of particular sanction is a fact. That the man has certain reputation is a fact. There are two types of fact: of physical fact, external, secondly psychological fact, internal. फिजिकल फैक्ट जो होगा वो एक्सटर्नल होगा, बॉडी होगा, साइकोलॉजिकल फैक्ट इंटरनल होगा. Physical fact, external, refer to capable of being perceived by the sense, any things, state of things, relation of things, while psychological fact, internal, refer to any mental condition of which any person is conscious. So conscious means सचेत. Fact in issue. The term fact in issue is defined to 1G BNS भारतीय साक्ष्य अधिनियम. It means and includes any fact from which either by itself or in connection with other facts, fact existence, non-existence, nature, extent of any right, liabilities, disability is asserted. Asserted means कहा जाता है. Denied in any suit proceeding necessary follow. Any fact is asserted. Asserted means कहा गया. Denied in answer to an issue of fact record under civil procedure code CPC. An issue of fact are recorded under order 40 rule 1 of code of civil procedure. As per the order 40 rule 1, issue arises when a material proposition महत्वपूर्ण बयान of the fact law is a half-it affirmed means ढूंढना by one party and denied by the others. If a principal fact in issue is called a maximum of factum probandum. maximum or factum or probandum तथ्य सिद्ध करने योग्य. And every fact that a plaintiff and defendant must prove in order to get the decision in his favor which the defendant proved to defeats plaintiff's claims is a fact is issue. All facts which are essential for determining right, duties and disability, liability is questions ascertained by and parties and denied by the other is called fact in issue. Relevant fact, the term relevant fact defined under section 21K. Relevant fact धारा 21K BNS भारतीय साक्ष्य अधिनियम में दिया गया. इट लेस डाउन निर्धारित करता है. लेस डाउन निर्धारित करता है that the fact is said to be relevant to another when each one is connected with the other in any way referred to in the provision of this act relating relevancy of fact. The fact in order to be relevant fact must be connected with the fact in issue with any other relevant fact in any of the way referred to in section 4 से लेके 50. 4 से लेके 50 this section only indicate when one fact become relevant to another. Normally, relevancy fact are those facts which are required for proof or disproof of the fact in issue. Relevant facts are also known as evidentiary fact and factum provenza. Factum provenza means हो गया तथ्य सिद्ध करने योग्य. As there have certain degree of probability forced. Document is defined under section 2(1) clause D. It means any matter expressed or described upon any substance by means of letters, figures, marks, by any other means, by more than one of those means intended to the use which may be used for the purpose of recording that matter. Any includes an electronic and digital records. For instance, writing is a document, map, plan is a document. An inscription on a metal plate, stone is a document. क्रिकोटियर में हाथ से पद चिन्ह. रॉन्ग्स प्रिंटेड लिथोग्राफ्ट पत्थर पे लिखा गया. फोटोग्राफ आ डॉक्यूमेंट. एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक रिकॉर्ड, ईमेल, several logs, document of computers, laptop, smartphone, message, website, location evidence, voicemail message, storage digital device or documents. Public document 74 clause 1 private document. Evidence is defined under section 2 clause E BNS. It and include oral evidence or documentary evidence. Oral evidence, oral statement including statement given अगले वीडियो में. That's all.